back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. I'm gonna make you cucumber and lemon and ginger detoxing, weight loss, and also good for flush out your immune system. I'm always making this kind of drink, guys, so you know that. So here it goes. All right, it's a simple one, nothing too complicated. I'm gonna get some cucumber inside of my blender. I'm gonna be using roughly about half of a cucumber. Half of a lemon, and just remove the skin. Can't go wrong once you remove the skin. Straight inside of the blender like that, and you're good to go. Gonna get a lovely fat chunk piece of a ginger. Fill it up with some water. Enough to use my bad boy. Just a pinch of apple cider vinegar, not much. Roughly about a teaspoon. And just blend for 4 seconds. Lovely, nice. This blender seems like it's going. Okay, after, what we're gonna do, run it through my strainer, which won't take long. That is fantastic and amazing. Beautiful. That is fantastic. It's so easy, guys. You know, this is just one of amazing juice. Beautiful. Look at that. Drink this early in the morning before breakfast, detox your body, and this can also help you to lose weight. I want to take the time to say thank every one of you guys for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. It's amazing. Enjoy it, and remember, you drink this just before bedtime or 1 in the morning on a empty stomach. Detoxing is very good, and this is just a really amazing drink. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.